My diagnosis is you've got a case of the hiccups. The good news is hiccups go away on their own eventually.
But we don't have eventually. We go on stage next.
Well, there are a few tricks we can try.
I hope they... What?
Okay, the first thing we're going to try to get rid of these hiccups is circular breathing.
Okay.
Fergie, what are you doing?
I'm breathing in circles.
That's not what circular breathing means.
Oh. Popcorn's okay.
Circular breathing is when you breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. In and out.
It didn't work.
It's okay. I have another idea. That's it. Take a nice and slow and steady sip, Fergie. Drinking water upside down can distract your brain and make the hiccups go away.
Hang in there, Fergie. It's working. I don't hear a single... I got... Wow! How did you land without falling?
It's squirrel thing. Yeah, and fun fact, squirrels use their tails for balance. The water didn't get rid of your hiccups either. Let's try something else. Okay, Fergie, open wide and say, hiccups fine too.